be my first $10,000 month.
Oh!
So I'm very excited about that, because that
Awesome.
training you did with $10,000 months was awesome.
Did it help you, that $10,000
It helped
teaching?
a lot.
Rebecca, I tell you, I'm so blessed to know you as a person. You are just a quality individual, number one. And it does not surprise me that your business has taken off the way it has. And you are just a testimony of a person with the right mindset, in it for the right reason, working hard, and the benefits, the blessing are coming back to you because you're a benefit and blessing to other people.
Finding you just kept me, had me to get back on track and keep going. The Senior Referral Academy is awesome. I love that I can go back and continue to learn and educate myself. Anytime I text you, Meg, you're responding. So, the Senior Referral Academy is awesome. You're awesome. And I thank you.